We started the Wonder Community to fill that gap between our K-12 and college partners who are doing a great job at providing those credential programs and foundational skills for the kids, but we saw that there was a space where folks couldn't go for just like a one-off workshop or just a two-part series. And so that's what we did with the Wonder Community by providing that third space where people can come together and really just learn, connect, and serve with each other. So since the beginning of Wonder, we've successfully had 52 workshops with 15 unique presenters. We have 6 different categories of workshops. We have our passion projects, green futures, shifting perspectives, teacher topics, and healthy us and lunch and learns. And so in that, we've done arts and crafts. Our members really love using the Cricut die cutting machine. We've done grant writing 101. We've done aeroponics. We've done fishing, tech skills, and one of the member favorites are our cooking classes, where we partner with Megabytes and ICC on that.